Hello everyone, I'm your teacher Reg and welcome to my class. Today, join me as we develop your knowledge and skills in bartending.
At the end of the lesson, you should be able to...
What are we waiting for? Grab your pen, paper, and self-learning module as we begin our bartending journey. In our last session, we learned about cocktails, its elements, and classification. As a preview, let's have a quick recap.
Let's start! This is Answer Me Quick. Identify the word being described in the statement. You have 5 seconds to write your answer on your activity notebook. 1. It gives flavor and smell to the cocktail. The answer is modifier. Number 2. These are cocktails that are heavily blended with fresh fruits. The answer is tropical cocktail. Number 3. Margarita, Manhattan, Rob Roy are examples of these kind of cocktails. The answer is classic cocktail. You can make this with a combination of 2 or more liquors. It should be served, flaming, and drunk in one gulp. The answer is shooter. Number 5. A non-alcoholic drink like Four Seasons and lemon squash. The answer is mocktail. What's your score? Good job! Look at the pictures on the board. These are some of the cocktail drinks around the world.
What have you noticed from the photos presented on you? Do you find it difficult to prepare? Would you like to learn the skills in preparing cocktail drinks? If yes, keep on watching!
Methods of mixing cocktails. Build method. This is the simplest method of making a cocktail. To build a drink is to pour the ingredients into the glass in which the cocktail is to be served. The stirring or mixing is left to the customer. Most build drinks are served on ice. Example of build drinks: Cuba Libre and screwdriver. Stirring method. Stirring is more gentle, a technique intended to delicately combine ingredients and minimize dilution. Use a long-handled bar spoon and stir the drink in circles. And keep in mind that it takes longer to chill a drink by stirring than by shaking. Example of stirred drinks: Manhattan and gin martini. Shake method. This method is used with cocktails that contain juice, dairy, or other heavy ingredients that do not mix easily with spirits. This method also offers the bartender the opportunity to display skill and showmanship. Example of shake method: flamingo punch, and the kiri. Blend method. Frozen drinks, freezes, or blended drinks all refer to drinks made by blending ice, liquors, and mixers. By blending, all the necessary ingredients are poured over the electric blender, along with the crushed ice. The ingredients are blended until the desired creaminess is reached. Examples of blended drinks: Bahama Mama, Frozen Shasta. Straining method. The goal of straining a cocktail is to remove various items before serving. It can be used to remove ice from a shaken drink or to remove broken leaves or fruit from a muddled cocktail. There are several ways to strain your drinks, depending on the type of bar equipment you are using. The 3-piece shaker is the easiest to work with because the strainer is built into the lid of the shaker. The Boston shaker or a mixing glass requires that you use a separate tool to strain, and there are two main types that you can use. The Hawthorne strainer has a semicircle offspring on the bottom and a flat top that sits well on a shaker. The Julep strainer is a round, concave perforated strainer with a handle and is often preferred if using a mixing glass. Example of cocktail using straining method: Silver Fizz. Modeling method. Modeling is the process of smashing fruit, herbs, or sugar into a cocktail to infuse their flavors. The goal of modeling is to extract the oils from herbs or the juice from fruits to help their flavors mix with alcohol. Example of modeling method: Mojito, Old Fashioned, Caipirinha. Layering method. A layered or stocked drink, sometimes called a pousse café, is a kind of cocktail in which the slightly different densities of various liquors are used to create an array of colored layers, typically 2 to 7. The specific gravity of the liquid ingredients increases from top to bottom. Example of layered drinks: Tequila Sunrise, Hurricane, B52. Flaming method. A flaming drink is a cocktail or other mixed drink that contains flammable, high-proof alcohol which is ignited prior to consumption. The alcohol may be an integral part of the drink, or it may be floated as a thin layer across the top of the drink. Combining fire with alcohol can be dangerous. Proper precautions must be taken to ensure the safety of both the bartender and the patrons consuming the drink. The fire should always be lit away from the area in which the patrons are located to ensure their safety. The drink should not be consumed while the flames are still burning. Examples of flaming drinks: B52, Flaming Zombie, Blue Blazer. Always remember, safety first. Extinguish the flame before consuming the drink. It is just a smart thing to do because the burning alcohol can run down your chin and start your clothes on fire. In the least, you will singe some more nose hairs. Do not make this drink when you are already drunk or serve it to someone who is. Play it smart, and if you are making this at home, enjoy it at the beginning of the night when you are still with it.
Let's check your understanding. Activity 1. Directions. Matching type. Match column A with column B. Write the answer on your activity notebook. Activity 2. Directions. Identify if method used in making the given cocktail. Write S for strained drinks, M for muddled drinks, L for layered drinks, and F for flinged drinks. Let's check your answer in Activity 1. Let's check your answer in Activity 2. What's your score? Good job! Now it's time to deepen your understanding. Are you ready to learn your skills? Let's do it! Choose the appropriate glass. Fill the glass with ice. Pour the spirit. Add the required mixer. Start with a mixing glass. For this cocktail, cut lemon into quarters. Together with the cut lemon, add 8 leaves of mint. Then add 1½ teaspoon of sugar. Smash the solid ingredients using a muddler to extract juices. Pour soda water in a glass filled with ice. Using a bar spoon, stir 2 to 3 times the mixture in a short circular motion. Garnish the mixture with mint. For this cocktail, squeeze 1 lemon in a mixing glass. Pour drinkable yogurt, then add 1 ounce of honey syrup. Fill the mixing glass with ice. Add 2 ounces of water. Cover with the metal shaker. Hold firmly and reverse upside down the Boston shaker. Shake for 5 to 6 seconds. Remove the glass from the metal can. Then strain or pour the contents according to the recipe. Garnish with lemon wheel. For this cocktail, fill the blender with papaya and mango bits. Put the lid on. Make sure no hair, fingers, or clothing are trapped in the blender or anywhere they can caught up in. Hold the lid down in one hand. Start the blender at low speed. After a few seconds, add ice, then switch to high speed until the ingredients are well blended. Pour the mixed drink into the glass. Add pineapple juice and soda water. Garnish with some mango bits. For this cocktail, pour 1 ounce of beer, egg white, squeeze of half lemon, one teaspoon of simple syrup, and soda water in a shaker with ice. Close the lid, then shake well. Place the hawthorn strainer inside of the shaker with the spring facing down. Hold the strainer in place with your forefinger. Slowly tip the shaker over the serving glass. Garnish with dash of simple syrup. Use a sturdy glass with a solid base. For this cocktail, put some pineapple bits and kiwi in the bottom of the glass. Gently press down and twist the muddler at the same time. Repeat this for about 4 to 6 times until the ingredients are sufficiently muddled. Fill the glass with ice. Pour soda water and Yakult. Garnish with slices of kiwi. For this cocktail, fill the bottom of the glass with heavier ingredient like syrup. In a shaker, add mango and gently press down, then add the ice. Shake well and pour the mixture gently on the glass. Followed by pouring light liquids. The trick is to layer ingredients according to their specific gravity. To sum up the lesson, may I know your thoughts about these questions? Please write your answer in your activity notebook. For your performance task, you are going to prepare your own non-alcoholic cocktail drinks using any methods of mixing cocktails. Take photos or videos of your output. Your performance will be graded according to these criteria. Let's check your answers. Awesome!
I hope you learned from this session. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you on our next journey. Bye!